Welcome back to Devon Lifestyle JA. Today we're going to cook some rice and peas and shrimp, and we're going to cook some brown stew fish also. Stay tuned. As you see right here, I'm preparing the onion for the fish. Also have some chopped up tomatoes for the fish, and we have some season here we're going to season the fish with. We also have shrimp, season up the shrimp, and we also have the season for the shrimp, special season. Stay tuned while I take it through. Here we have the fish seasoning and marinade for about an hour. So it's time to fry the fish. Stay tuned. Here we have a coconut milk for the rice and peas. So the peas is cooked and we're going to add the coconut milk in it, and then after we will add the rice to the peas after we season up the pot. Stay tuned. So now that we're going to season the pot, we have thyme, we have garlic, and we have scallion. And some people use pimento, but I do not have any pimento today, so I have to use what I've got. So stay tuned. So now I have 2 cups of rice to add to the peas. I'm going to wash the rice properly to get the starch out, and then I put it in the pot and stir it up, cover it, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. But please remember to turn the stove down to about 2, okay? Because it will burn the rice if you keep it under that high fire. Stay tuned. Now that we have the rice cooked, so we're going to move on to the shrimp. Stay tuned. So this is the shrimp that's seasoned up. So we have the oil on the fire. So we're going to put it in the hot oil. And please remember, shrimp, if you cook it too long, it will get too tough or hard. Some pieces are hard. Just cook it for less than 5 minutes and it will be okay. Stay tuned. Now that the shrimp is done, so we're going to move on to the fish. We're going to add the onion and the tomato in the pot and add all of the other ingredients to the fish because it's brown fish. So stay tuned and watch. So we're going to add some thyme. Also, we're going to add in pepper, also We're going to add garlic. We're going to add a little ketchup. Stir it real good. And we have a little water to it. Let it simmer down for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then we add the fish to it. Also, we're going to add a little jerk season. The mild one. Any jerk season can do, but I like the use of mild jerk season. Stay tuned. So now that the stew is ready, we're going to add the fish in and let it simmer down for the next 5 minutes, and then it will be okay. Stay tuned. Now that we have it all done, it is time to share. We have the rice here, finished, looking good. We have the shrimp finished, and we have the fish looking so good. Here we have it, guys. Dinner is ready. We have brown stew fish, shrimp, and rice and peas. And then call it gungo in Jamaica, rice and gungo. This peas here is named gungo, but in America we call it pigeon peas. So if you're looking for gungo up here on the shelf, you will not see gungo. You see the name pigeon peas. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace and love.